Joining us as he does each month is Scott Reilly, our District Attorney in the 36th Prosecutorial District. That's Catawba, Burke, and Caldwell counties. And thank you so much for coming in. As always, we appreciate it.
Thank you very much for having me.
You have a lot to talk about, and I know you wanted to talk about the Citizens Academy, correct?
Right. The Citizens Academy is very interesting, and it's for citizens of Catawba County who want to learn more about how our government, how the Sheriff's Department, how the court system operates. And the Sheriff's Department, Sheriff Don Brown puts it on twice a year, once in the spring and once in the fall. And just last night we had our graduation ceremony, and it's a award ceremony and also a banquet. So it is a 12-week program. They meet once a week. It's probably about 25 people is a full class, and this particular class were all Catawba County educators. They all came in. And you'll learn everything from crime scene investigation, to narcotics investigation. You learn about the court system. The District Attorney's Office puts on one night of instruction about what goes on. And it's really very interesting. And I think the most important thing is after these people graduate, they have such an appreciation for what our law enforcement officers do on a daily basis. Some of these people will go out on a ride-along with different officers. They'll go into the jail. They'll look at the 911 communications. So I think the biggest thing they get out of it is, hey, boy, we have some competent, professional, well-trained law enforcement officers that are doing everything to make us safe at night and keeping Catawba County safe and secure.
That's great that folks can learn that and learn more of what goes on the inside and behind the scenes. You know, exactly. we only just see kind of what's out there in the public, but this is a great opportunity.
I think the next class is full, but if people are interested, they can go to Catawba County .gov and to learn more about it and to apply for the next class.
Yeah, it's a great website, the Catawba County website. You also want to talk about National Police Week as we honor law enforcement.
Right. I think it's a good segue into it because this is National Police Week, where we recognize all the good deeds that law enforcement officers have done, and specifically law enforcement officers who have lost their lives in the line of duty. And nationwide, 226 officers lost their lives in the line of duty just this past year.
So it's certainly fitting to honor those officers and what they do. And you know, they leave home every day. Their families don't know what's going to happen. So, and it doesn't matter what community you're in. It's not just one part of the country. It's everywhere.
When they leave home, they kiss their wife, they hug their child, they visit their parents. That might be the last kiss, the last hug, the last visit. And that's the life of a law enforcement officer, and we certainly owe them a debt of gratitude. So if you see a law enforcement officer this week, please say thank you. There will be the Fraternal Order of Police puts on a ceremony every year. I was honored to speak at it 2 years ago. Judge Clifton Smith will be the keynote speaker this year. It is Friday, May 19th at Catawba Memorial Park. So it's always a moving ceremony. The Fraternal Order of Police, the Catawba County Sheriff's Department, the honor guards, it's a very emotional and moving ceremony.
So that'll be this upcoming Friday?
This coming Friday, May 19th.
Okay. Anything else you need to touch on, or did we cover everything?
I think we're good.
We got everything covered. That's good. Well, thank you so much. It's always great for you to bring information in for us like this, and we look forward to talking to you again next month.
I look forward to it too. Thank you very much.
Scott Reilly, our District Attorney for the 36th Prosecutorial District, which is Catawba, Burke, and Caldwell counties. He joins us each month here on WHKY News.